Hey, good morning. Hey, Dan, I have no idea how I actually got into this trade. It looks like I had some couple contracts overnight. I didn't even realize that I actually had a contract on there. So, oh well. Um, I'm in a little bit of a situation here. I looks like I had some couple contracts overnight. Yeah. Hey, good morning, Bed. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Monica. Good morning, Vic. Good morning, Dan. Everybody. This is going to be a short stream. I just got into say hello to everybody. Do for like an hour, and then I've got to get going. But strangely, I got into a trade, I guess, last night. I thought I closed, but looks like I've got. Well, I had three. As soon as I hopped in back to my computer, I already had three contracts to the short side. So I was already down. And I added two more just to kind of like get closer to where the price action is right now. But it's not looking that great.
Definitely something that we should have capitalized.
Just trying to wonder how strong this bounce is going to be here. We have the initial high at 22,000. Days we'll have to hold that area, but yeah, my entry, my average entry right now, it's way far off. I'm like 40 points away from my entry is, so I may be setting up for a little bit of trouble here. ES is looking good on a bounce, and man. Oh no, it's just not looking good so far. I wonder if you guys traded this morning. Did anybody trade this morning? market already. Pick poker. Oh, Vic Med. Okay, so you didn't have any trades. Man, I wish I at least knew that I actually got into a trade. It's kind of funny sometimes. Because sometimes my orders are all over the place because I've got a lot of different platforms open. I've got Tradeovate, X, and I got Tick Trade as well. Oh, excuse me, guys. I've got Quant Tower. I don't know how. I may have had some orders open. I mean, limit orders, and then I got into 3 contracts, and then obviously I ended up adding 2 more. We'll see. 983 here. The price at 983. But it looks bouncy though. Overall, the structure of this market definitely looking very strong. So, and I heard there's some good news coming up from the Middle East as well. And that's what I heard. That's what I heard from the herds. Oh, that's a bounce to me. Too bad, you know. I was pretty close to break even yesterday. Looks like this is gonna get me trapped. Wow. Let's take a look at the news. Good morning, CMAT. Good morning. Iran news. Alright, there we go. So Trump appeared to put off US action on Iran. So 5 minutes ago, US sends world's largest military aircraft near Iran's border. UK says window now exists for Iran negotiations after Trump set timeline for US action. Well, I go through different news, but one of the news I go through is this one right here. But there's still attacks happening right now as we speak, so... It is definitely getting very interesting. All right, guys, I'm gonna take one off here.
Order
and I'm gonna
filled.
go to.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna short the NQ. Look for a quick scalp here. I hope it's not a bounce. A little bit of luck on my side, maybe. Getting a little pullback here. Just a little more, and I'll take this profit here if I can. Just a little more. Pull back into the 960 would be really nice. Just a little more. Just a little more. Come on. Just bring it down a little more. Just make my day. It's the last day of the trading week. Let's make it nice and easy here. Oh dear. Pulling back here. Nice. All right.
Order
I took
filled.
my profit there. I took my profit there. Not bad. I kind of gained about 250 back again, so that's good. Ha ha ha. Sneaky stock tiger. Good morning, Bo Bosch. His Royal Trades. JC Trades. What is up, Monica? Everybody, welcome back. Alright, one sec. Alright, guys. Maybe I'm getting a little bit of luck on my side, I guess. I'm not sure. We'll see how this thing goes. A little bit of a pullback here, back down to the 976. We kind of broke underneath the EMA here. We've got this final support at 970. But I think once we flush it down from there, this thing could go all the way down back again to the 930s. I don't know. Is this market really going to take us back to the 930s is the question. Will the market take us down? Will the market take us down? We are going to find out.
definitely something that we should have capitalized.
Oh, what a bounce, guys. What a bounce. I'm gonna still try and hold this, guys. I don't know. I kind of feel like, you know, we have this suggestion here. We're going to sweep this the 995 area, and then maybe we pull back. So I'm gonna have to wait a little bit on this if I try to exit my trade. I will exit my trade if I get above this 22,000 level, and if that level holds, then I'm out. But until we do that, I'm gonna still try and be in this trade and see if I can actually get a follow-through extension to the downside, and see if we can actually bring it down to the 930s back again. $987. Oh, ho, 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 ho. I almost kind of feel like wants to move. Good morning, Basil. What is up? Man, I went long earlier. Nice. Basil, man, that's great. Good for you, brother. Oh, almost dug out. Okay, I see. Alright. Well, it's pretty good. At least you have a good result at the end of the day. Since Seller, good morning. How are you? Everybody, welcome back, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Are we going to get a pullback now? We're gonna get a bounce. I'm not gonna try and short this position with NQ again. I'm gonna try and stay and hold and just keep this as it is for now. Options referring to expires. Oh, we actually had somebody talk about oh, we already had a lot of traders on our Discord. Look at this. Wow. All right. We're getting a pullback again. Yet again. Oh, guys, I've got to be careful on this one now. It looks like something's moving. I'll just take one more.
Order filled.
Guys, something's moving the market. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna have to place my stop. Okay, so there we go. I've got a lot of stops here at the 30s and the 40s. No. In Mount Daily, no, I didn't do that. It's pretty much the same thing. So, guys, looks pretty bullish here. I don't know. Almost kind of feel like it wants to rip all the way, but something feels like smoothing the market at the moment. So the market up about 0.25%. The gold is down about 1.5% as well. So oh dear, we are getting a bounce. This looks like it wants to go. Holy wow, we're just above the 22,000. Do we have what it takes here now? We just got above this key resistance here at 22. Now, is this level going to hold is a question. Yeah, I don't wanna take any risk with the trading the NQ. I'm just going to leave it the way it is for now. Yeah, it looks bouncy for sure. For sure. I may be on the wrong side. We'll just wait a little more for me. Like for me, I'm gonna try and look to see if I think this 2230s, the 30s and the 40s maybe. Hold on one second. Let me just get rid of this because I don't want to get stopped out and then eventually the market starts to pull back, right? That's really the last thing I want to see. Is that happen to my trades? Very strong market overall, though. I think there's, you know what, behind, like under the surface, I kind of feel like, you know, maybe the escalation, maybe de-escalating in that region, and I guess that's what we are getting right now. But too many mixed views. But I think the market is still having some hopes, and they're kind of going maybe, oh, you know what, we may be getting something nice news come out of this tension. Maybe things will go back to normal. I don't think we're gonna have a war, you know what I mean? And then it's like the market keeps ripping and ripping back and forth again, just really hoping for a de-escalation, and the market keeps pushing because the shorts are getting covered and getting squeezed. It almost kind of feels like a squeezy, you know, right from that 21,860, 840. The market definitely looks really strong here as well. So So this level here right now, 22k, is definitely going to be an important area. So 22k, I'm gonna look for a pullback from here, but we'll see. Let's see if this level actually holds. This level here. This is going to be a big one for sure for me. It does look like it's holding, but oh really, Mike? Yeah, let me just take a look at that too. Uh, oh. Markets look a breather on Friday after White House appeared to dial back speculation that the US was on the verge of joining the strike on Iran. Senior... Hold on one sec. The Fed Walker... The job market is solid, but starting to see things like high unemployment for recent graduates. Yeah, you're right, Mike. Fed Waller says the job creation is coming down. The job market looking weaker than 2022. Sorry, the labor market, that is. So we've got expectation of interest rates starting to come up, and de-escalation of the Iran also kind of like helping. Strange looking price action so far. Vic Med, what is up? Last night 5 to 6 was good. Oh, nice, Vic Med. That's beautiful, man. Great to see you do well. Alright guys, what is this market trying to do? I think it's trying to give me some level of hopes, and then it goes boop to the upside. And that's definitely going to bother me a little bit. Alright, this market definitely trying to test my patience. It's sitting at 22 right now. It looks bouncy, so I don't know. Let me just take a look at my top step. I haven't traded my top step one. Hold on, I'm just trying to log into this trade. So we did call out last night saying that oh man, what a bullish candle here. Bullish candle. Looking good to the upside. This is the 15 minutes chart on the combine. Sorry, on the XFA. Sorry, not XFA. On the top step chart. But we did talk about this, and it's like the market definitely is strong. Because when you start to see, this is what I said. When you start to get some big bullish momentum move to the upside on a first go at the open with this sort of a large candle bars, it usually means, you know, it may end up consolidating and look for another leg to the upside. But anyways, with the big volume stepping in as well on this move to the upside, definitely market is expecting something. And I guess I'm on the wrong side. So maybe what I'm going to try and do is on a pullback, try to exit my trade on a pullback down into maybe maybe down into the 980s and then look to go long from there. Vinny Lee, thanks brother, thank you. Mine is kind of like mix, just okay, I guess. Nothing really too meaningful, to be honest with you. I've got a lot of other stuff going on at the moment, so I'm definitely kind of like scaling back on the I'm trading more aggressively, so which is good. It's a step in the right direction for sure. Oh, you're definitely not gonna see me autofill all the way. That's good. Oh man, but it looks squeezy though. I'm down about 500 on this one. Yeah, it looks like it wants to get pushed into the upside. Wow, we just squeezed so much right now. We're sitting at 22.13 and the market up 0.25%. And this is definitely not over yet. We've got a lot of good news. Of course, it's still not firm, but I mean, some decent news coming up in the market so far. So, do we have what it takes to really squeeze everybody out of the trades? Yeah, you know, immediately I miss those days. I kind of feel like I'm this adjustments that I'm making right now is definitely needed, but oh man, was a pretty good month for sure for the month of May. There was a lot of payouts and it was a lot of fun too. But right now it's kind of like 1, 2 order filled. It's like and then it's like nope. There's nothing. There's no payouts. Shahid selling. I know. Just be careful, guys. Man, the market's definitely up for something, and and the only reason why I'm still holding this trade is because I still have how much drawdown on this one. Let's take a look. I have okay, so I've got 900 on this. I've got 900 on this, and I'm down. And I've only got 5 micros, so I'm kind of going, well, you know, in order for me to lose this thing will have to really rip through 71, which is definitely doable, I think. But we are actually breaking out of this area now. Look at this, just keeps going. Oh. Yeah, it looks squeezy here. Let's take a look from my Quantar. Wow, look at how much it's moving, guys. Pre-market. Are you kidding me? We actually broke out. Next level of support. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm gonna take one.
Order filled.
I'm gonna short
Order
this.
filled.
I'm shorting one more time with my NQ. Looking for a quick scalp here, back down into 22. 22.10 maybe. So it's kind of like 10 points move to the downside. See, another problem is I can't see my orders anymore. I don't know what's going on here. It's weird. I just placed my TP, but I can't see. All right. Let's see if we get a little pullback here. We kind of extended to the upside, so I'm kind of looking for a little pullback down into this zone, back down into the 2210 is what I'm looking for right now. Oh, by the way, I'm on a 5-minute chart. Didn't realize that. All right, there we go. So back into the 1 minute chart.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
I don't know, it's not getting I'm not able to place my TP for some reason, but it's what it is. That's fine. We'll do it manually. Oh my, look at that, guys. I guess this is what it is. Oh dear. I almost got into myself. I guess this is what it is, because last night I clearly remember getting out of my trades, but I don't know what happened. I woke up in the morning and I found myself with 3 contracts on my trade, down quite a bit. So it happens to me quite often, especially when I trade the Asian market, right? When you're trading the Asian market, a lot of stuff happen when you get to the morning, by the time you get to the morning. But now I just kind of put myself into a weird spot, because I kind of forced myself into a trade yesterday into the morning. Oh my dude, you gotta be kidding me, guys. Look at this balance. Look at this ripper. Great. I'm gonna get stopped down on both. Oh my, you've got to be kidding me, everybody. Hold on, guys. That wick is pretty bad. I may get a chance here. I don't know. I think I should get out of this trade right now. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh man, it's too late. By the time I tried, it's already up there in the 30s. I knew the Fed was going to do something like that. Emergency rate cut? Is that what it's going to be? Emergency. What is so emergency about this? Something you should have done earlier, a while back. We're only trying to do that right now. Very annoying sometimes. But we definitely have some good news coming out from the market, so... we are getting to the new hour, and we still have another 30 more minutes for the New York to be open. So we're definitely getting pretty close, and the market is definitely reacting to the new hour and the cash open in 30 minutes. And any squeeze here discount's gonna go. Oh my dear. Oh, there's no DLL, but there's no DLL on this account. That's the nice thing about DLL, but it's a little bit pricey. So I'm kind of going, do I really want to keep adding? Right? It's hard. It's hard unless you get a good payouts. And my June has not been that great, as you guys are aware. I always try to make sure I don't spend anything beyond like 22, so say 10 to 30% of what I gain. I try to stay within that. Obviously the initial spend is going to be higher, but eventually it's going to get down to like 10 to 20%. No, this is expert funded account. Alright guys, what a wonky price action. We got a big wick, we got a bounce, and now it's kind of like a little bit of a pullback. I don't know. Yeah, facial, exactly, yeah. It's always difficult when you try to fight the trend. Absolutely, I agree with you on that for sure. Your day and your trading sessions become really difficult as soon as you try to go against the market. But the problem is that it's trending to the upside for now, but we'll see if it keeps going though. So I got my eyes here on that 45, and we are getting wicks though. I don't know if these wicks are going to hold. If we can get underneath the 20, that could be setting up for a little bit of a pullback down into the 14, maybe 22, before we start the day. Before we start the cash, I guess, pull back down into the 22s would be really nice if we can do that. What is up, Zero Cool? Tiger, go with 5 long at 1 minute, really? Oh man. 5 isn't gonna it's gonna be tough because the 5, like, you have to have an ultimate, like, a push to the upside, but it's really hard. It's in a little pullback, you're gonna be out of that trade. With 5, you're gonna be out of that trade as soon as it's a one little green bar to the upside, and that if that's like 15 points bar, green bar, then I'm gonna be out. So not even that, maybe 10 15 points green candle is gonna stop me out. So all right, we're getting a little breakout here now. Is this going to be a breakout of this trade? Man, what did I do?
Stop filled.
Oh, 1 second. I have my limit orders as well here. I should have taken off. There's no point in putting my stop now anymore. Now that I'm getting pretty close to my drawdown. I don't really have any more. I got $400. I don't have as much anymore, sadly. Oh my, you've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me here. We're at the new hour now. Am I going to be survive? We are going to about to find out. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for your support to the stream. If you guys like what do you guys see, you guys are enjoying the stream, please take a moment to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like as well. Thank you guys. I hope everyone is having a great day. Also having a great start to the day as well. All right. What was that pullback all about? Into the 30. We still respect the EMA, so we'll see if we can actually get a little bit of a crack here to the downside. Maybe a pullback into the 22. Maybe reasonable. I don't know. It just doesn't feel like he wants to pull back at all. But I mean, you know, every time I try to go long here, it starts to get a big pullback. And it's the same thing as last night. Last night was a classic example of me going long here, and then you get a pullback down to the 965. Well, what a squeeze all the way this morning. Wow, incredible. A lot of strength in the overall market so far. But I think at some point, market will maybe could be doing some profit taking maybe in the morning into the cash. We'll see, get a little lucky here. Oh dear, oh dear. We just broke underneath the EMA. Hey, Civics, what is up? Yeah, of course, of course. You're located in Canada. Oh, Canada. Finding a pullback. I don't know if this pullback is... I don't know if this really mean anything, to be honest with you. Like, we could just pull back a little bit, kind of let everybody know, like, oh, we getting ready for a little bit of a pullback, but then of course you get a nice, beautiful bounce again, just like everywhere else. Every little pullback was a bounce, bounce, bounce. So I'd like to see this thing come back down to the 22s, but I think that's also healthy for the market, for the cash to open. Or maybe it's gonna wait for the cash to open, I guess, and then get an extension to the upside after that. See, there we go. We are getting in this little bounce. We'll see. at least one good thing is we're now sitting underneath the EMA, which is kind of like could be a chance. Interesting wick. I mean, overall, the structure hasn't changed. ES is definitely looking really good. ES is definitely looking really, really good. I mean, just incredible how the kind of bounce we got this morning, overnight, pretty remarkable. I think it's a combination of a couple of things, of course. We've got Iran as well. We also have the Fed Waller this morning saying some good stuff about the interest rate. That's kind of making things better. But I hope you guys caught this move to the upside, though. While I got caught on the wrong side of the trade. Yeah, I mean, this isn't a sort of a pullback that I'm looking for right now. This is not even a pullback. It's kind of like a little bit of a what do you call this? a minor pullback before we get another leg to the upside. Usually that's what it is. So we really have to crack underneath the 22,020. That's the level I'm kind of watching right now. So if we can break it down to their area, then we could see this to get down and then retest the probably 970-ish area maybe. But I don't know. The market definitely looks very strong though. I don't know if we have what it takes to get it down though. That's the problem. Yeah, I mean, 1 second. There's... Just getting too many emails about stuff. It looks like we're gonna get another break. See, this is another one. Do we really have what it takes to get a bounce from here now? That's the question. Yeah, it definitely looks squeezy. I guess we'll have to be a little patient on this trade. Guys, we've got another 50 more minutes for the cash to open. Bomb smoke, seen rising. There's definitely an ongoing conflict right now. We'll see. Buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing right now. It almost kind of feels like the market really wants to hit the all-time new high. I guess that's what it is. But I guess it's something that the market was really trying to do, I guess, for the last couple weeks now. But obviously we obviously got some negative news come out from the region, making it a little bit challenging for the market to push to the upside. But we'll see now. We've got this pivot here on a 1 minute 35, and we are pulling back a little bit. I would really love to see this thing pull back down into the 20, and maybe give us a little bit of a extension here, back into the 22K. That would be really nice if we do that. Would be nice for sure. Ugh. I just can't get that move. A little bit of a break here to the downside. I can't even get that right now. So 22.30. We're still underneath the EMA. Yeah. We're breaking out now. Oh dear. Oh man, I'm confused. I'm not sure what to do now. Sitting at 35. We are breaking out though. The market definitely not giving us any chance to get out, which is pretty interesting now. Wow. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding me, guys. Wow. All right, looks like I'm gone here. Forget. Monica. This is gonna go. My one and only. Guys, man, this is breaking out, guys, man. And I'm telling you right now, as soon as it stopped me out, we are gonna roll back. Oh man, I only have $200 on this. All right, I'm gonna just exit this trade. It looks too bullish. Hold on one second. Oh dear, too bad, you know. What a scramble! Just up and down, up and down. It's like I almost got it and just went down again. Got it, down again. Got it, down again.
Order
it's
filled.
like up and down, up and down. It's a constant. Just doesn't feel good, you know. Just does not feel good at all. Alright guys, I am going to exit this trade right here. We've got 10 more minutes for the cash to open now. No, I don't think that's possible. I only have 200 drawdown, so it's gonna go. Maybe what I can do is go one. Maybe probably end up going one contract. On a slight pullback here, I'll probably end up adding. End up going long. Alright guys, I will exit this trade right here. Give me a little pullback so I can exit this trade and re-enter long. Alright guys,
Order
exit
filled.
that trade. Just one of those things, you know. It's like I mean, can you imagine if I was actually copy trading 10 accounts at a time? I would have definitely blown a lot. But just one of those things, I guess. I don't know. It's tough. It's tough. Maybe I would have saved myself by trying to go long, instead of kind of hoping market to reverse back down. This is a descending wedge. Like obviously everything after things are said and done, I'm kind of going, okay, well, this is descending wedge. Stock Tiger, what are you doing? Like this is supposed to be a beautiful setup for long. This is a classic bullish bullish, what do you call this, descending wedge. Classic. A big push to the upside, and then you have a little minor pullback down into the support to take us back and create another leg to the upside. What a beautiful bullish. Sometimes, you know, we just never learn. You know, when you're on a slump mode, you know, when you keep losing and over again, even though you know what's right and what is wrong, it is sometimes very difficult to kind of catch the right move, because you are in that sort of a mindset of losing over and over again. So, and you only realize that after the fact it's done, and it's done and gone. So too bad, it's just one of those things, I guess. So yeah, this has got yeah, I've got like $84 on this. It kind of sucks, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna load in anymore. Any more account. I've got pro account 380. Oh my dear, you gotta be kidding me. Oh damn, I'm trading pro account right now. All right, guys, I'm trading. I'm trading Take Profit Trader Pro account. Hold on, guys. What is going on here? Are we gonna get some parabolic move? The market's not even open yet right now. Why is this market so excited right now? Alright guys, it's sitting at 96. A little pullback here into the 88s. Alright, I gotta stop that at the break even there, which is really not too bad. Alright guys, the market is open now. I took a stab with just one micro here. Alright guys, I've got 5 micro. My stop here at 38. This is definitely my last trade of the day now. Okay, I'm gonna take 1 profits off the table here. 1 out. Guys, 1 more out. Down to 3 contracts. I'm moving my stop to break even at this point. 1 more down. There we go. There we go. Alright, I'm out. Alright, that's a 350 on that trade. So that's good. That is 1 pro account, 1 PRO account up. There we go. I've got what I need for now. I'm gonna have to call it here. Unfortunately, my funded futures, I guess it's gonna go, and we'll try to put my focus back into the top step. I've got to trade my top step. I've got to trade my take profit. I've got quite a few accounts on my top step. Sorry, take profit trader, and I've got FIDIAS funded accounts to trade. I still have quite a few accounts to trade. Really, it's just that the problem is, am I getting closer to the payout? That's the question, and the answer to that question is so far no. So we'll see. Let's take this one at a time. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night. We'll hope to look for a better trades, and you know, we'll see what happens. I hope you guys have a great day today, guys. Good luck. It's the last trading day of the week. You know what I mean. Just take it easy. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday. God bless everybody. Good luck. We'll see you guys later. Take care. And peace, everybody. Yeah, Vinny Lee, I know. What a way to finish. Get it, get out. Get it, get out. Thank you, Vinny Lee, for all your support, guys. Main source. Thank you, guys. Zero Cool. Elmac, that's the Quant Tower, and the previous one, this was Trade of 8. Anyways, guys, good luck, Mike. Hey, Mike Cunningham, you have a great day as well. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you guys back on the Sunday night. Take care and have a great day, everybody. Peace.